Hi, this video will help you to learn how to connect our different IPPBX systems together. First, we need to know the extension numbers of each phone system. The extensions of 3 phone systems cannot be duplicated. For example, if GBAO uses a 3-digit starting with 1 extensions, the other systems cannot use this extension, but can use a 3-digit starting with 2 or a 4-digit starting with 1. The extension numbers in this video are for my local testing. Please do not configure it directly according to what is shown in my video. Instead, set the corresponding extension numbers based on the actual system you are using. Okay, now the extensions of my test phone systems are these. Let's start by configuring the GBAO phone system. First, to create IP trunks, go to Trunk Settings, IP trunk. Create an IP trunk. This is a trunk to Justina, so you can name Justina. Enter your Justina's IP address in here and use the default port 5060. Then, scroll down to save. After saving, we have to apply configuration again. Let's create another IP trunk to Sina. Enter your Sina's IP address in here and use the port 7080. Then, scroll down to save. Apply the configuration. After creation, we can check the trunk status. Go to System Information, Trunk Status. It shows OK. Second, to create outgoing routes, go to PBX Basic, Outbound Routes. Create a route to send calls to the other systems. Let's create an outgoing route to Justina. Select which extensions can call to Justina. Allow the trunk to Justina. Click on Save. You will be asked for setting the dial pattern. Here we set the extension of Justina, a 4-digit starting with 8. You can hover your mouse here to see the specific and detailed rules. Click on Save. This rule means calls to these extensions will be sent to Justina. Now, I'm about to create another outgoing route to Sina. Select which extensions can call to Justina. Allow the trunk to Sina. Set the extension of Sina, a 4-digit starting with 1. Click on Save. Apply the configurations. Last, let's create incoming routes. Go to PBX Inbound Call Control, Inbound Routes. We need to create an incoming route for receiving calls from other phone systems. Name the route. The ID can be filled with any number. Allow those two IP trunk. No need to select the call destination. Click on Save and Apply. Now, all configurations of GBAO are done. So, what you need to configure in GBAO are: first, IP trunk creation. Second, outgoing route creation. Third, incoming route creation. Next, let's configure Justina phone system. First, also create 2 IP trunks to other phone systems. Go to Home page. DDIS and Trunks. Add an IP trunk to GBAO phone system. The ID can be filled with any number. Select Provider as T-Box, Fixed IP, Internal Phones. Enter your GBAO's IP in hostname. Port, you can enter 5060 or leave it blank. Click on OK. Let's add another IP trunk to Sina. Enter an unused number. Select Provider as T-Box, Fixed IP, Internal Phones. Enter your Sina's IP in hostname. Port, 7080. Click on OK. IP trunk done. Second, create call rules to other phone systems. Search for call rule in the search bar. Click on PBX call rules. Add a PBX call rules to GBAO phone system. Enter the name. Enter the pattern of GBAO's extension. Please note, pattern field must begin with an underline. It's format requirement. Select destination as the GBAO's trunk. Click on OK. Let's create another call rule to SINA. Enter the name. Enter the pattern of SINA's extension. Select destination as the SINA's trunk. Click on OK. Call rules done. Third, apply call rules for Justina. Search for outgoing in search bar. Click on outgoing. Add a new call rule permission. Check the call rules we just created. Click on OK. You can see here, applied call rules. Click on OK. Call rules application done. All configurations of Justina are done. What you need to do in Justina are: first, IP trunk creation; second, call rules creation; third, call rules application. Next, let's configure SINA phone system. First, create gateways to other phone systems. Go to Call, Gateway. Create a gateway to Justina phone system. Enter the name. Enter your Justina's IP and port in server. Fill in username and password randomly. It doesn't matter. SIP profile, public. No register. Click on Submit. Let's create another gateway to GBAO phone system. Enter your GBAO's IP and port in server. Fill in username and password randomly. It doesn't matter. SIP profile, public. No register. Click on Submit. Then, we need to go to the gateway setting by clicking its name. We need to change the value of caller ID in from parameter. Change it to true. And enable it. Change this on another gateway. Start these two gateways. Gateways creation done. Second, create outgoing routes to other phone systems. Create a route to GBAO phone system. Enter the name. Because GBAO's extension starting with 1, 3-digit, prefix 1, max length 3. Select context as context 1. Select destination as GBAO's gateway. Submit to save. Create another outgoing route to Justina phone system. Because Justina's extension starting with 8 for digit, so prefix 8. Max length 4. Select context as context 1. Select destination as Justina's gateway. Submit to save. Then, create an incoming route for receiving call from other phone systems. Enter the name. Because the extensions of SINA starting with 1 for digit, so prefix 1, max length 4. Select context as context 2. Select destination as extension. Submit to save. Now, all configurations of SINA are done. What you need to do in SINA are: first, gateway creation; second, outgoing route creation; third, incoming route creation. Let's test the call among the phone systems.
Wait. Hello. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Taya.
Taya.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
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 Yes.
Thanks for watching.